Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and a tiny mini review and then a comparison between a couple different phones. Now for the unboxing. Thank you for watching that unboxing video. It was amazing, wasn't it? It was great. Pretty short, actually. So that's why I'm going to do a mini review and a comparison. So don't forget, there's a comparison right at the end. I'm not going to do a complete review since I don't actually own the phone. It's not actually my phone. I really do like the dynamic island. It's really, really cool. And the 120 hertz from the 12 Pro to the 14 Pro is not a very big difference. I mean, it's 60 hertz versus 120. It may sound like a really big difference, but I haven't really noticed it too much. I've tried like swiping around and stuff, even on a 13 Pro, and it's doesn't feel very much different. Sometimes it felt like a little bit faster, but not a big enough difference for me to be like, yeah, I need to get that right now. And also the fact that it doesn't have USB-C is kind of just not great. If you wanted to wait for USB-C, try to wait till the iPhone 15 comes out, which is next year. A really cool feature about the 14 Pro is the always on display. Now, I kind of wish I had always on display, and if I did have an always on display, I would definitely use it, especially the one that they gave us, which was you could see the background and stuff, which I guess a lot of people didn't like for some reason. I feel like it'd be really cool. And there is an option now where you can turn off the background and just keep the time, or you can turn it off completely for whatever reason, I guess to save battery. Also, the person that upgraded to the 14 Pro came from a 7 Plus. But I will now show you a camera comparison between the 7 Plus and the 14 Pro. So that was a really tiny review of the 14 Pro. Now for the photo comparison, and I'm gonna do video comparison at the end. This is the video and audio quality of the iPhone 12 Pro. Sounds maybe okay. And this is the video and audio quality of the iPhone 13 Pro. It's probably not very different. And now this is the iPhone 14 Pro audio video quality. don't know, it probably looks about the same. Well, that is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications and check out this video right here. This is a great video. Bye.